A lot of creators are saying ChatGPT can create video. I create everything with ChatGPT. All right, today I'm going to try it out. All right. So in this very short video, I'm going to try creating a video with ChatGPT, and hopefully the result is going to blow your mind. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to open ChatGPT and then click on Explore GPT. Now, click on Explore GPT. Now, you can see here that there are different GPTs that you can use to do several things. Right now, in this 2024, if you're not using ChatGPT to increase your productivity, then there's a problem. All right, then you have a big problem. ChatGPT is here to help you improve and increase your productivity. Now you can see, if you click on DALL-E, you see GPTs, that can generate images and can do a lot of things for you. If you click on writing, you can see GPTs that will help you write better, create stories for you, do a lot of things for you. Then productivity, there are GPTs there, research and analysis, GPTs that would help you research and do a lot of things, programming, education, and lifestyle. So regardless of what you're doing or the kind of work, is it school work or whatever kind of work that you're doing, ChatGPT is going to help increase your daily productivity. I encourage you to use it. I use it every day. All right, let's stay on topic. Now, videos like this, all these videos can be done with ChatGPT. I can see that this channel here, they have over 63,000 subscribers. We don't want to look at how much they are earning. They'll be earning over close to, like, let's say 2K, 1K or 2K monthly, or maybe close to 2.5 monthly with this kind of views that they are getting. All right, now that's not the main point of this. Now let's go into topic. Let's go back to ChatGPT and see how we can create videos like this with ChatGPT. So the first thing is to search for video AI. All right, search for it here and a list of video GPTs will come out. I don't know about the rest, but I'll show you the one that works well. Now let's click on Video GPT by Vid and then click on Start Chat. You can see here that you can create AI avatar videos, write video scripts, AI text to speech, and normal video creation with this particular GPT. So if you want to do text to speech, you can use it, but that's not the point of this video. We are going to click on Let's create a video. Now remember, anything called a GPT is more like an agent. It's just like an agent that'll be working with you. So this GPT will be working with us to create a video. Now you have to answer these questions if you want to create a good video, at least video that you understand. And from my understanding about AI, if you want to get a good results with AI, you need to give it information. You need to tell it what you want in detail. Now it's asking, what is the primary message or goal of the video? We are just going to copy this. We don't need to copy it, but we can just use comma to separate it. What is the primary goal of this video? We are going to say to give information and entertain. And then the next line, we're going to say, what is the target audience for this video? Let's say Africans. Let's just use Africans for our target audience. What tone or mood are you aiming to achieve? Suspense. And how long would you like your video to be? Let's say 2 minutes. 2 minutes video. And we'll press enter. So you're going to answer these questions. Number one question, what specific information or topic do you want to cover in this video? We are going to say history of the pyramid. Let's be clear, Egyptian. History of the Egyptian pyramid. And then let's go to the next line. Number 2, is there a particular country or region in Africa you're focusing on, or is it aimed broadly at African viewers? So we are just going to aim at African viewers. We don't want to go deep. And then, do you have any specific story elements or themes in mind that could help build the suspense? We say not really, give your best. And then we'll put enter. You have answered the 3 questions. One mistake people make is they just get so serious when you're chatting with ChatGPT. Just talk to it like you're talking to someone. We are done, and it is writing the script. Once it's done writing the script, it is going to generate the video itself, and we're just going to watch. This is crazy. Now it has generated the story and is asking us, would you like to use a text to speech voiceover for this, or would you prefer an AI avatar? If it's an AI avatar, here are your options. So choose the avatar you want. So we are going to choose Davon. All right, for no reason, I just vibe with Davon. So we're going to use Davon. So you can see it's starting to generate the video. Let's see what's going to come out. And then click on allow. So you can see it has generated the video. So let's watch this. Unraveling the mysteries of Egyptian pyramids. Let's watch this video. We are finishing up your video. All right, now it has opened. We're going to click not right now. I'm not interested in your offers. So it is preparing these, and we are going to click on play. Now you see that it has created a video and now it's on portrait mode. So we can change it here to YouTube or YouTube Shorts or TikTok, Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook story, and all that. All right, so what we're going to do is to play this.
Imagine standing at the foot of the ancient giants, the pyramids, monuments that have mystified humanity for millennia. But how did these marvels come to be? Today, we unravel the secrets of the Egyptian pyramids. These structures, built more than 4,500 years ago, are not just tombs of pharaohs. They are a testament to human ingenuity and determination. The construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, remains one of history's greatest mysteries. How could the ancient Egyptians, with only primitive tools, orchestrate the construction of such monumental structures? The answer lies in a tale of astronomical knowledge, precise engineering, and sheer manpower. Thousands of workers, including skilled laborers and slaves, toil under the harsh Egyptian sun, aligning each colossal stone with the stars. They created a legacy written not just in stone, but in the stars themselves. Each pyramid, perfectly aligned with celestial bodies, served as a stellar map, guiding the souls of pharaohs to the afterlife. But why the pyramids? Why not continue with the traditional mastalas? The shift was revolutionary, driven by the ambitions of pharaohs like Djoser and Snefru, who desired to showcase their divine rule through these immoral monuments. As we explore the echoing chambers and hidden passages, remember, each stone tells a story of power, belief, and the eternal quest.
Now this is great. You can see that it added background music, background sound. It added captions, emojis, and other types of effects, transitions, and this is nice. This is nice. This is really good. All right, I didn't expect this. So what we're going to do is to export the video. We are going to export it, and once you export the video, you can post this on your TikTok, you can post this on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, you can post it on YouTube Shorts. And the question is, what type of content would you create that would drive people to be hooked onto your video? I talked about that in a previous video that I made. If you have not watched it, you can go and watch the video where I talked about, creating African folktale stories. So that video, I focused more on creating or generating AI content that can hook people, which sounds natural, which doesn't sound too AI-ish. Permit me to use the word. There's no word like AI-ish. All right, the next thing I want to show you is, if you can see, all these videos we are done with AI. These videos here, we are done with AI. Look at this channel. All these, they were done with AI, 14,000 views. Let's look at the popular videos. 1.2 million views 7 months ago, 915k views, 625k views, 518k views, 400, like they are getting good, massive views. That means a lot of people love, listening to stories. People just want to be caught up in some form of stories. All right. So you want to create these kinds of videos. I mean, I did not talk about this, but in a previous video I made, you can check it out. I shared how you can create videos like this, and it was a step-by-step tutorial. I took you from A to B to C to D, explaining how to create this, getting the content, how to generate a human-like story feel content for African, tales or any sort of tale you want to do, and how to generate images and then turn the images to videos or and all like that, you know, and stuff like that, and also how to create a thumbnail like this, how it looks like this, you get. So it is just up to you. Do you want to do something like this? Are you ready to put in the work? Anybody can do it. You can watch this video and go and sleep, and then some other people watch this video and then go and do things with it. So it is who that, you know, puts into practice that gets results. So just go and watch that video, click on, you know, my channel, look for that video, watch it and implement. If you have implemented it, comment under the video. Oh, I have posted my first video and that's what I want from you. I just don't want you to watch this video and go and sleep. All right, you need to create content. We are going into the content economy and you don't want to miss out on this. Now let me show you this what I'm going to show you is shocking. Now look at this channel. Let's copy this username here and then we are going to go to Social Blade. All right, so we're going to go to Social Blade and we're going to post this username here, press enter, and you can see they are making 2.1 thousand pounds. That's 2,100 pounds, which is close to like 2,000, you know, $200 every month from generating videos like this. And you can generate up to 5-10 videos. You can create these videos, 5-10 videos in a day, but you don't need to post the whole video. You know, it's not just about generating tons of videos, generating videos that would drive traffic. Okay, so go and watch the video and implement it. I want you to succeed. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like this video, and get hooked onto this channel. There are a lot of helpful videos on this channel. If you have questions, drop it in the comment section, ask the question, I'm going to reply, I'm going to help you out. If you're interested, you want to join my community, feel free, join my community. And yes, this is the video. Check this video out after you've checked the other video. Check this video after you've checked the other video. All right, I'll see you.